Absolutely phenomenal. Still a bit warm, but when the flavors get to marinate overnight and you get a little scoop of whipped cream on there or some vanilla bean ice cream, it shall be even better, mashallah. And then this is what it looks like the next day. Alright, let's see how it tastes the next day. So I think it tastes better the next day. So it has more time, I think, to get the nutmeg and the cinnamon and the cloves all kind of textured and put together. So go ahead and when you want to make this, I'd say make it the day ahead. Subhanallah, it's really quite nice. Yeah, it so looks so good, huh? Everyone's ready to have some, and so hopefully you can try this as well. MashaAllah, tabarakallah.